Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. During the hot summer months, I don't want to be stuck in the kitchen cooking meals. I want something quick, easy, and also yummy. Sandwiches check all the boxes, and I have dozens of recipes that I already shared with you. Now here's another one. Curry chicken salad sandwich. Loaded with flavor, this uncomplicated, tasty finger food is an amazing one to make this season. So let's get cooking. We'll go ahead and make the dressing. In a bowl, we'll combine mayo, followed by Miracle Whip, and before lifting your nose on this ingredient, why don't you read the blog? Then mango chutney, which you can make from scratch by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Some curry powder, and I'm not shy with it, along with honey, although you can use agave nectar if you prefer. And to use my trick when dealing with sticky ingredients, the link is on the corner of your screen. We'll also add freshly squeezed lime juice, of course ground sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir the dressing until everything is nicely blended and set aside for now. Next, in a large bowl, we'll add shredded chicken, and to learn the easiest method to poach and shred it, the link is at the top right corner of your screen. To this, we'll add red onions, red peppers, giving a little sweetness to the mixture, and celery. We'll mix the ingredients very well before adding the dressing. We'll stir until the chicken mixture is well coated, and that's it. We're done. If not used right away, place plastic wrap on top, making sure it touches the surface, and transfer to the fridge until needed. And my friends, this is our curry chicken salad sandwich. Super tasty. This sandwich is ideal for the summer month. It's great to serve for picnics, backyard parties, on road trips, or simply when you want something fast without compromising flavor. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!